Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Frndly TV on Roku. Beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by turning on your Roku device. From the Roku home screen, navigate to the Streaming Channels option on the left sidebar. Select Streaming Channels to open the channel store. In the search box, type Frndly TV using the on-screen keyboard. Once you see Frndly TV in the search results, select it. Choose the Add Channel option to begin the installation. Wait a moment for the channel to install on your Roku. Once the installation is complete, a confirmation message will appear. Now, select OK to return to the home screen. Locate the Frndly TV channel on your list of installed channels. Highlight the Frndly TV channel and press the OK button on your remote. The Frndly TV app will launch. If you are a new user, select the option to sign up for an account. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter your personal information. Choose your preferred subscription plan when prompted. Provide payment details to complete the subscription process. You will now have access to all the content available on Frndly TV. Enjoy streaming your favorite shows and channels. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.